everyone. Where do I even begin? I guess I'll just begin here. In July, we took a very special trip back to Ohio, and our granddaughter is finally speaking. What did you say?
None.
Are you a mermaid?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at you. Do you need your
So
crown? So that's exciting, but
Yeah.
so is this. Charlie Bella has a baby brother. And I'm a Nana times 2. Meet Nico Maximus, born July 2024. But let's rewind to Christmas 2023. Back to when I was filming this clothespin cookie recipe, and I said this. I don't want a lot for Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I just want a brand new kitchen so I could film my YouTube channel. And 6 months later, this happened. But wait, before I get into the final reveal, you have to see and remember what it looked like before. This was the night before demo, and I was just packing up the kitchen. We had a water leak in that corner that forced us to rip that corner out and forced us to redo the kitchen. So come along with me as I show you the renovation process. It's happening. And just like that, the floor's up. Pay attention to this corner where my dishwasher is. Pay attention to that, because that's gonna be gone. Same goes for that high countertop. We also had to redo our half bath because, as you could see, the leak went between the kitchen and the bathroom wall. There were lots of trips to the Home Depot and kitchen and bath supply stores to pick out supplies. I'm not even kidding when I say I rolled up on him and he had just farted. We also needed to tile the back patio. I could cook again. I could have ice again. Did I mention I'm putting in a coffee station? We recessed it into our pantry, and you're going to see here in a second, total space saver. You guys, I have countertops. And special shout out to my daughter and son-in-law for this beautiful Moen sink. They work for Moen, so they hooked me up. Love you guys. The sink was not easy to install, by the way. You guys, this backsplash. I never even knew how they put in tile and backsplash. Chef's kiss on that backsplash. The half bath is also coming together, and we decided to go with this mosaic tile for an accent wall, and I absolutely love it. first pizza night in the new kitchen. This is just his way of saying he loves me. We're into June here, and my son, daughter-in-law, and granddaughter are about to visit us. I'm glad that we chose this lighted mirror, and it really makes the mosaic tile stand out. I love it. Before the big reveal, here's a couple clips of my son's family visiting us in Fort Lauderdale before they have the baby. I think you've waited long enough. Here's the big reveal. And that brings us to Christmas 2024. I'm so excited to make you guys some recipes in the new kitchen, so stay tuned for that. I wish you all a happy, healthy new year. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. I'll be back soon with another recipe, but you can visit thekitchenprescription.com for more delicious recipes. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification of new videos. I'll see you next time.